Yes, the answer is laid on the table of the House for both.
माननीय मंत्री जी,
Speaker sir, Manrega program is one of the flagship program of the UPA government. The poor man, Dr. Manmohan Singh, has brought this program to help the poorest of the poorer, especially the farm labour, when there is no farming activities are there. Sir, I want to point out some of the figures which the government has given so that the rest of the nation could understand how the government has come for, is very reluctant to introduce and go ahead with this program. Sir, number of persons days in 2021 is 2389 crores days. 21-22 it is 363, it has reduced. 22-23 it is 248 crores persons days. Not only this, sir, the allocation made on 21-22 is 98,467 crores. The allocation made in 22-23 is 90,805, reduced. 23-24, 86,000 crores only. The same thing has been given in 24-25 also, 86,000. So allocation has been reduced year by year, and number of working days also reduced year by year. In this case, how the government is going ahead with these schemes, with these programs, is well known to the public as well as, and moreover, sir, some of the states like Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, they are not even extending the minimum wages. The minimum wages for farmers are even reduced to 110 rupees per day, and moreover 106 rupees in Uttarakhand, 110 rupees in Madhya Pradesh, 106 rupees in Uttarakhand. In this case, how will the government come forward to see that particular labor who is working hard in this program is given the proper justice to his labor? Is there any program to curb this activity, sir?
क्या बालू जी उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड,
Yes.
गुजरात, यहाँ पर आप पार्टी का विस्तार करना चाह रहे हो क्या?
I was pointing.
Thank you. Sir, let me explain what has happened between 2006 and 2025 ever since the program was started. In 2006 and 7, when the UPA government has started, the budget allocation was 11,000 crores. And by the time you retired, it was 33,000 crores. After the NDA government came, the budget this year is 87,000 crores. One second, let me answer. Please let me answer. Let me answer. Please let me answer. During COVID time, the government of India under Modi ji government, listen to me please, you answered, you asked the question, I answered. Let me answer. No, listen. No, I am coming. Please listen. During the COVID time, which is
माननीय मंत्री जी,
which is 20
माननीय मंत्री जी, प्लीज एड्रेस चेयर. नो एड्रेस चेयर.
Sorry, sir. This is my first time. But during COVID time in 2021, the budget estimate was 61,000 crores. However, this budget estimate was happened during February and March. At the end of March, COVID happened, and the government of India has spent 1,10,000 crores, 50,000 crores more money than ever in the history of India within few months because of Modi ji's big heart and the government policies. Number two, listen to me. Number two, please listen. See, if you want to to have an intellectual discussion, I'm happy to answer all of your questions. Have an intellectual discussion. Number two, ever since, every year the budget estimate is 70,000 crores and the revised estimates and the released amounts were more than 98,000 crores.
Please, एक मिनट, please, 1 minute, please, 1 minute, please, 1 minute, please, बालू जी, आपको सुन, जब माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब दे रहे हैं और पूरे तथ्य के साथ, आंकड़ों के साथ रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, अगर वह गलत आंकड़े दे रहे हैं तो आप मुझे लिख के दें। अगर वह आंकड़े सही बता रहे हैं, आप उस पर ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं करें, बीच में नहीं बोले, उनको पूरा जवाब देने दें। नो गलत।
Okay, sir, let me continue. Compared to the budget estimates, revised estimates, that means the states ask for more money, are usually at least 10 to 20,000 more crores than any given year. Despite of that revised estimates, we release another 3 to 5,000 crores more money. So in a sense, we're releasing right now close to 90,000 crores. The reason it went down from 1,10,000 crores to 90,000 crores is because of the COVID anomaly. That cannot be considered as the consistent pattern. If you look at any given year from 2006 to 2019 to 2024, every year there is at least 10 to 20,000 crores more budget allocated. Number two, the question you asked, the average wages. The wages at the time of UPA government was fixed at minimum wage of 100 rupees per day. Since the NDA government came, we adjusted the wages based on the CPI, Consumer Price Index for agricultural labor. Over the last 5 years, on an average, we increased 7% and a cumulatively 43% wage increase. The states like Karnataka and the Kerala, right now the average wage is 350 rupees, and this is a fact.